which date?
Your Honor, the accused person is fixed the 4th of July with the notification we gave to court. We have been informed by the PS of the various trips that is at the end of July. We prefer February in August on this part.
August. Is it available to all of you? And the summary of the case, and I've executed my mandate. Now my duty is to inform you that you are committed to the High Court for trial at its next convenient session. In the meantime, considering the fact that you had not violated any bail terms, you shall remain on bail and shall report to the Deputy Registrar for the mention of your case. Before I take leave of the matter, I take note of the fact that the accused person had applied to this court to have his diplomatic passport number D 000011716 indefinitely returned to him. However, much as the application is indicated as having been filed on 27th day of June 2023, it was brought to my attention today, considering the fact that the 28th day of June 2023 was a public holiday. Therefore, I could not have it fixed.